Hey guys, GoPro 07 Black. My first GoPro. I've been waiting 3 years to get a camera. I don't know if the microphone on there will work for this, but I did get a microphone, Purple Panda from Chase and Two Wheels suggestion. So yeah, we're at the park. And one of the advantages on it, I'm just going to drive with this camera in my hand. All right, don't try this at home, kids. Don't try this at home. Ah, this mirror's loose. There's some footage. Try to place the camera on the rock here. Sketchy ass tripod. Hey guys, I'm out at the park today, the Bear County Park, with my new GoPro Hero 7 Black, thanks to my mom. And she also got me a Hero 5 Session. So I thought this would be a good place. Come over and take a look. The bike's been running fine. It just it's been cold, so it's been too cold to run. It'll run real slow when it's cold. Even right now, it does not give me over 37 miles an hour. We get a better look at it from here. It's seen a little bit of rain, a little bit of rust right here. That's no problem. And I saw some rust on a clip back here. Also not a problem. I'll just repaint those probably. And look, a nice storage area. So we got your USB here. And I was able to put all this stuff in that box. So here's the helmet I use. It's a G-Max Crusader 2. And I have a Sena 20S on here. Okay, here's the helmet I use, guys. It's a G-Max G69S Crusader. I have a really large head. This is a 3XL. And most of the helmet manufacturers just don't give you enough of a size to fit in there. So it's very comfortable, it's aerodynamic. It is a cheap helmet though. It's a $150 helmet. But the only thing, I think there's some higher end ones in the $600–700 range that I'll be looking at in the future. So I am going to try to mount this. I might have to go here. Let's sit here. I might have to get some of that tape that's Cycle Cruiser was talking about. It's a kind of a tape you put on there to fill that in. Unless it can go. I guess it can maybe go right there. And then we're gonna put that there probably. I got 90% alcohol that I'll use to clean that, and then once that's on there, this will come around. This is an adapter on eBay. They're like $6. This will swing around here, and it will bring the camera a little more centered. Okay, there's another product I want to talk about here. This is a Puluz aluminum alloy protective cage for GoPro Hero Session 4 or 5. All right, let's take a look at this. And here's the Session 5 my mom got me. This will be probably on my handlebar camera, and also I could use it on the front, looking front bound, like towards the forks or on the body, different places. Just a little, I don't have my tripod. Well, I've got this little tripod. This just pulls up. Camera comes out. And we got this little protective cage here. The door closes in the front, and you put your start battery up top, camera faces towards the back, okay, and slide that in. And then these adhesive pads here, these are not adhesive, it's like a little bumper pad, felt. These felts go on the inside along the walls here. Let me try to put this on a tripod and do that. Okay, you can see how I got that in there on the side. It's a little loose in there, so these pads keep it from bouncing around so much. Okay, so I've put 2 pads on the corners and 1 on the bottom. So let's insert the red dot on top. Camera forward. All right, much snugger fit now. It's not loose in there, so it's fitting pretty good. And as you can see, this just will mount into any of the GoPro mounts like that. Okay. Now, if anyone knows what this is for, let me know in the comments, because if it's in there, there's no instructions, and I don't know what that's for. Okay. All right, so that's the Puluz GoPro Hero 5 protection cage. A little bit better than not having the plastic one in there. Okay, then we just go over here, and it's got a little detent bearing in there, and it's assembled and ready to action. Will not fall out there. The cost is, I believe, $20 to $25 online. All right. I got an eco mode right now, so it's a 10-mile-an-hour speed limit here, so this, you know, it's like a jogging track for people. This come loose. I put some Loctite glue on it. Oh, yeah. That's Camp Puluz over there, Army base. Got 130 miles on it right now. It was raining for 3 weeks straight, man. I couldn't get anything done. All right, guys, thanks for tuning in. We'll get some, we'll get these cameras mounted. We're gonna get some good footage. We're gonna have some adventures. We're gonna go places. I'll try to make the channel a little bit more exciting. It won't be a, I won't be asking for money, but I'm doing this as a hobby, kind of a journal. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.